What's going on, YouTubers? All right, man. I set this up so I can bring you along with me. So I'm gonna try to get this done with this camera on. So got my handy dandy Dremel. And again, I'm gonna like just try to shave a little bit of area right down where I mark below. And there we go. Got power. All right, folks. Safety first. Always wear your glasses when you're working with stuff like this. Speed it up a little bit. You see it's already cutting in there. Strip it a little bit away. Let's see. I think that might have it right there. But it's gonna be a little bit tricky to tell. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Let me put the stem in. Let's see what we got going on. I'm gonna try fitting the back on as well. And let's see what we got going on. So we got the stem in here. I still gotta shave down a little bit more back here while I'm doing this. So let's get this bad boy on. Where's my handy dandy? There we go. All right, so I definitely got some more room. Where's the back end? Let's see. And the tricky part about this, you guys, is when you put the back on, it's not going to be all the way tight. So because you got to get reinforced up here with the motor mount, and you'll find that when you go to put the motor mount on, oftentimes that's when you notice that it's really binding. So this is kind of just like a little test to see how close I can get. And let's see. There we go. Okay, so I got the shaft in. You see here how we got a nice fit. It's nice and seamless. And now let's see how this turns. This is going to be kind of like the key right now. And see, we got like free spinach. So that's exactly where we want. And even if I push this up on gear, it's a little bit, it still gets a little bit tight. So I might shave down a little bit more, but that's it, man. In a nutshell, that's how easy it is. This is going to be a Mod 1 in probably about 10, 15 minutes. I'll be all done. I'll put it back together, and it should be ready to rip. All right, YouTubers, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that button below, man. All right, have a great afternoon. We'll talk to you next time.